Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're showing today, this is a very large cleated inclined elevator by New England Machinery. It's got a very large big bulk hopper, 42 inches by 40, it's about 30 inches deep, big 20-inch wide belt. You see the cleats. You'll notice on the conveyor, you'll see the holes in there. You can move those cleats around as needed. And of course the noise you're hearing, it's unpadded, which is why it's making some noise. You'll see the passing cleat moves the deflector up, which then falls into place so nothing can fall behind a cleat after it's passed the loading zone of the bottom of the hopper. We're operating on one of our house DC power controls. It is variable speed. Turn the speed up for you, you can hear that. Now we're going to turn that off. It has a 1/2 horsepower drive, which is mounted up top of the unit. Of course, you see we have this off right now. This is the discharge chute. The peak height of the elevator is approximately 102 inches. With that in place, you're at about 78. However, in the frame, there are threaded openings in the bottom for leveling feet, which are not in there now. They can be 10 inches long, 8 inches long. So they will add, of course, elevating your loading height here. They will add some height should it be needed. Has a complete enclosure all the way up the travel zone. We have lots of conveyors, elevators in our stock as well, and everything in process and packaging. So we do hope you visit our website at www.champtrading.com if you're not already there, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.